About to go to the hurricane deck. Logan, say hi.
Hi.
Jacob, say hi.
Hi.
All right, here we go. It's supposed to get really wet, so we'll see how it goes. Let's turn this around. All right, check this out. What do you think, guys? That's cold. Logan, you want your poncho on? Hold on. Alright, we're back. Logan did not want her poncho on, like Daddy.
Okay.
Alright, bud, you lead. This is so cool. Oh my God! Jacob, go! Woo! Go, go, go! The amount of power that is going on there is crazy. Jacob loved it.
Hey, do you think Jacob had any fun?
Oh yeah, Jacob had a little bit of fun. Jacob, did you have fun?
Yeah!
Alright, so Logan fun, not so much. We told Logan to put her poncho on before we went, and she didn't do that, and she's a little bit cold now. So I want to give it up for some Frontier Camp in Texas, Grapeland, Texas. A little bit of Weevil going on. All right, I'm going back up all by myself one last time. Very cold. Right, so that was officially one of the coolest things ever. I can't even talk right, my lips are so cold. That was one of the coolest things ever. That view is amazing. If you ever come to Niagara Falls, you have to do this. Everything else doesn't compare. Unbelievable. And that's it. And make sure your kids wear their ponchos or else they'll start crying. One word of advice. Bye.